Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your stock market knowledge with TD Ameritrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TD Ameritrade homepage. If you don't have an account, click on Open New Account to create one. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process, providing the necessary personal information. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, locate the Education tab in the main menu. Hover over the Education tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Select webcasts from the options available. Browse through the upcoming and archived webcasts that cover various stock market topics. Choose a webcast that interests you and click on it to learn more. Register for the webcast if necessary, filling out any required details. Once registered, return to the webcast page and click Join on the scheduled date. Make note of the live chat options to engage with the presenters and other participants. After attending a webcast, explore the Courses section under the Education tab. Choose a course that aligns with your interests and click on it for more information. Complete the course at your own pace, taking notes as you progress. Next, visit the Research and Ideas section from the main menu. Filter your research by asset class or market condition to find relevant articles and analysis. Read through the latest market insights to enhance your understanding of current trends. Utilize the Thinkorswim platform if you're interested in more advanced trading techniques. Download the app for mobile access to your educational resources on the go. Engage with the TD Ameritrade community forums to discuss ideas and strategies with fellow investors. Regularly check the Education section for new materials and updates. Set aside time each week to focus on a specific topic or resource. Continue to track your progress and adjust your learning plan as needed. With dedication, you'll significantly enhance your stock market knowledge through TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.